Hello, this is Freddie, your Scorpion product specialist, and I'm here to tell you today about our brand new EXO AT950 Modular Adventure helmet. Now, many of you are probably saying, wait, what? Modular Adventure? I've never heard of that. And you're right, it's a very new piece of technology to this wide and varied world of motorcycle helmets. Now, the EXO AT950 is a true jack of all trades, and with it, you're not just getting a modular helmet, or an adventure helmet, or a radical off-road helmet. You're getting all three for the price of one. Now, as in most parts of our lives, versatility is key. We're all trying to get more bang for our buck, and the EXO AT950 goes far and above in this axiom. The visor and face shield are both removable and able to be used independently of each other. But I'll get to that in a second. Let's move inside the helmet. Firstly, the modular piece opens with a standard red pull lever found at the chin, and there's a very strong detent at the top position, making sure it's not just going to fall down on you once it's up. Right away, you'll notice the dark smoke drop-down sun visor, standard in all of our modular helmets, as well as our time-tested and well-received Quick Wick 2-liner. Those of you familiar with the Quick Wick 2-liner will remember that it is moisture wicking, designed to quickly wick moisture away from your face, but it is also antimicrobial, machine washable, and make sure you hang it to dry. Also featured behind the Quick Wick 2-liner, you will notice two speaker cutouts to accommodate virtually any Bluetooth speakers you might be using today. So, we're touting versatility. Let me show you exactly why the EXO AT950 is one of the most versatile helmets that has hit the market in quite a long time. Out of the box, the EXO AT950 is a sleek, aerodynamic, modular touring helmet with enormous field of view. But 15 seconds later, with the removal of the titanium finger screws and the face shield covering plates, you can change your helmet in one of two ways. You can add the peak visor for one of the most radically styled adventure helmets in a modular version that is on the market today, or you can remove the face shield, add in the visor, and you've got one of the most aggressively styled off-road helmets that you can hit the dirtiest dirt that was ever dirt. Now, all this from a modular helmet? A year ago, it didn't exist. Well, it's here now. So really what you've got here is three helmets in one. But whatever version you choose to use day to day, the EXO AT950 is going to provide you the same level of premium comfort and design that you've come to expect from a Scorpion helmet.
So when Klim set out to build the Cryos, we took a look at adventure riding as a whole, and we said, what are the things that we really need to solve here? Well, first of all, it needs to be very versatile. You could be riding at really high speeds on a very big bike. You could be going very low speed as well. Also potentially on a big bike, working really hard. And the helmet really needs to perform across that whole gamut. We all know that one of the biggest asks today in helmets is weight. We want to reduce weight, but we want to make it sensible, make it work for the rider, and definitely reduce fatigue. Pulling that weight off is one of the greatest things that we accomplished, and we're proud to say we're #1 in the weight category. So one of the biggest challenges in dealing with an adventure touring helmet with a peak visor is definitely going to be aerodynamics. The way that we've engineered both the peak visor and the trim spoiler to work together is we've been able to overcome a lot of the challenges of literally Mother Nature, throwing that wind at you and wanting to take your head off when you're going 65, 75, 80 miles an hour down the highway. So in addition to weight, we've got incredibly stable aerodynamics built into the shell of the helmet that just gives that rider that extra confidence and focus that he needs. So when we talk helmet safety, we have to talk about visibility. And that's why we've chosen to put two shields in with the Cryos. We're going to do one clear shield and one 80% dark smoke, but also we're adding pin lock ready to that as well, because we do truly believe that adding that pin lock lens is going to give you the best fog-free experience you can get. So on the venting with the Cryos, we've kind of got a dual action system going on right now, where that front vent actually takes the air and shoots it up into the cabin, but mainly going right after the face shield there to keep the thing fog free and to keep the air from flowing directly into your eyes. And then we couple that with the top vent that flows down over the scalp into the cooling material and out the back, giving you a great experience.